Hey guys, this is Jacob here, sitting at the lovely beaches of Cancun right now. Here we go. Let's see this. Alright, you see that right now? That's the sunrise, okay? It is now currently 6:22 in the morning. The sunrise started at 6:17, and I am going to play you guys a song because this weather is so beautiful. But I'm not just going to play you a song, I am going to play you a song using only the things around me, such as this water bottle, this beer can inside of this glass, the cigarette pack, my computer, my Logitech mouse, my chair, table, and this pipe. So here are the sounds you're going to be hearing. We add a little bit of bass. So, yeah, music is in every single thing around you. You just gotta hear it.